Hey guys, well, I thought I'd come down here and give it another go in a different spot. We're down here again in the South Grand River, southeastern Cass County, Missouri. Just a beautiful, beautiful conservation area here. Check this out. Got an outside bend there in the river channel. Looks a little shallow over there, but there's some spots in there that I'd kind of like to try out. So stay tuned, let's see what happens. Well, there's my bait choice here once again. Same stuff I was using last time. Got a friend of the family who has a nice place where we can catch these, and I freeze them and keep them in a bait freezer in the garage for times like this. We got this set up back here in the water where there's not as much current. Now I moved this one upstream, and we had some action here a minute ago. There's all this stuff washed up on the shore here. I went and cast it out just a little bit further. Well, we haven't had any major takers yet, but we've had a few nibbles on the slackwater area here. And we had one, I don't know, hit it pretty good in the pool below the little waterfall area back there. So I think I might have had a little too much bait on that one. I might have been able to seal the deal if the bait was a little smaller. But it's early yet. We can still get her done. I went ahead and repositioned that one. I cast it out there to where it would be a lot closer to that outside bend there in the river. Let's see if we can get one there. Well, we've had a lot of little nibbles today. One pretty good one. Probably a couple of halfway decent ones, but a lot of little nibbles. Well, we didn't get on them today, guys. But we did get to get out here and enjoy the beauty of southeastern Cass County. It's really nice down here. This conservation area sure is beautiful. It's nice to be able to have a property to use that's this close to home. But we'll get down here and give it a go again sometime. Until then, tight lines, y'all.